In this story, a kitten and her mother cat visit a market, where a humanoid wolf drops a poison bottle, turning everyone into zombies, who start chasing them. One fateful day, the mother and her kitten are preparing to go to the market for the first time. The little cat is so excited to be in the market for the first time. The mother cat is buying vegetables. And the little cat curiously run away from her. Oh no! An evil wolf arrived at the market with green poison. He started splashing the poison on the floor of the market. Suddenly, everyone started turning into zombies. Oh no! The little cat is in trouble, as zombies started chasing her. The mother cat begins to notice the danger. Zombies started chasing the mother cat also. She fought the zombies and defeated them.